Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Mandela Highway. We are on Spanish Town Road going on to Mandela Highway, and we're now on Mandela Highway, and this is the busiest road in Jamaica. It takes you from the City of Kingston to Portmore and Spanish Town, two of the largest populated areas outside the City of Kingston. And it also takes you to the two major highways in Jamaica, the PJ Patterson Highway that runs on the south coast and the Edward Siaga Highway that runs on the north coast. So this is one of the nicest roads you'll find in Jamaica. It was recently renovated under the Major Infrastructure Development Program, and the section from where we entered Spanish Town Road to the Portmore turnoff was renovated. It's a 6-lane highway, and it cost 64 million US to do the project. It was a flagship project under the Major Infrastructure Development Program, and it was nicely done. It was done by China Harbour Engineering Company. They were the contractor, and this is one of the nicest roads you will find in Jamaica. When you're driving on this road, you will think you're on a highway in a first world country. Very nicely done, and it was very good that they did it because more cars use this road than any other road in Jamaica every day. This is the most used road in Jamaica, and even with the highway being 6 lanes, sometimes in the evenings the amount of persons that leave from the City of Kingston to go to Portmore and Spanish Town, you have traffic backed up on this road sometimes. That's how busy it is. Now the second part of this road is also going to be renovated. That's apart from the Portmore turnoff to the Old Harbour roundabout, and that's going to be the flagship program under the GIDP, the Greater Infrastructure Development Program, but no start date has been announced for that project yet. Now on the left is Fesco, the Fesco gas station, and that is the busiest gas station in Jamaica, also one of the largest. It's only natural if you have the busiest road in Jamaica, you're going to find the busiest gas station in Jamaica. On the right is the ferry area. We're actually passing the ferry police station on the right now, but I'm not sure if you can see it where you see that zinc roof. That's the ferry police station. So coming up on the left now is the turnoff to go to access the PJ Patterson Highway. And if you look on the left and you look on the right, you see so much land that can be developed. Yes, it looks like sugarcane is on it, but sugarcane is a thing of the past. This land should have plazas more. It's a very busy road. It took so long for them to build a gas station on the road, and look at how well the gas station does. These areas need to be developed. So okay, on the left is where you access the PJ Patterson Highway. Okay, this car looks like they didn't realize what was going on and they were in the wrong lane. So now we're approaching the turnoff to go into Portmore, and you notice the road now it's going to merge back into 2 lanes. So when the GIDP starts, from here all the way to the Old Harbour roundabout will be renovated, and it's going to be 6 lanes, just like the section we're coming from. As you can see, this section of the road is very busy. It's a pity they never just did the entire road as a highway. But hopefully it will be done soon. Now once we pass the Portmore turnoff, though there is less traffic on the road because probably 40% of the traffic that uses this road, or maybe even 50%, goes into the Portmore area. But the entire road is going to be 6 lanes, just like the section we came from, right up to the roundabout. And if you look on the left, you can see that there is so much space. This road was, or when it was designed, it was originally designed to be 6 lanes. So there is plenty of space. No structure has to be removed because it was always designed to be 6 lanes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.